Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, the beating heart of Malaysia. A city where modern skyscrapers, lush greenery and rich culture live side by side. Kuala Lumpur City Centre, KLCC, is the iconic heart of the Malaysian capital, anchored by the legendary Petronas Twin Towers and surrounded by a thriving mix of attractions. It's a bright day in the city. As I begin my walk, the streets buzz with morning energy. Vendors have set up their stalls, commuters rush past. The air carries a blend of spices and coffee from the nearest restaurants.
You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sun and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna get you?
Many local street vendors offer quick photos near KLCC for 10 to 100 Malaysian ringgit. Enjoyable for some, but beware. Some tourists report being pressured or overcharged for low-quality shots. Kuala Lumpur began as a small tin mining settlement in the mid-1800s, and its name, Kuala Lumpur, literally means muddy confluence in Malay, referring to its location at the meeting point of the Gombak and Kleng rivers. The city was founded around 1857, when a group of 87 Chinese miners arrived at the junction of the two rivers to mine tin, which was in high demand globally. By the 1880s, the British colonial government took more interest in Kuala Lumpur due to its economic importance. British resident Frank Sweetnam helped develop roads, schools and drainage systems, introducing brick buildings to reduce fire risks. After Malaysia gained independence in 1957, Kuala Lumpur grew rapidly. It became the capital of Malaysia, and in 1972 it was granted city status. Kuala Lumpur is now a global city, home to nearly 2 million people, a melting pot of cultures and the economic and cultural heart of Malaysia. From tin mines and muddy rivers to glass towers and monorails, KL's rise is a story of resilience, diversity and vision. In the heart of Kuala Lumpur, two giants rise into the sky, identical, silver and unmistakable, the Petronas Towers. Construction began in 1992 on the site of the city's old racecourse. It was a bold project, led by Malaysia's national oil company, Petronas, and backed by then Prime Minister Dr. Mahathir Mohamad. Once the tallest buildings in the world, now enduring icons of Malaysia's ambition. Suria KLCC Mall. The heart of Kuala Lumpur's luxury and lifestyle is situated at the base of the Petronas Twin Towers. The mall was part of the KLCC Master Plan, which aimed to create a premier urban hub for business, shopping, and leisure. It spans 6 levels and offers over 300 specialty stores, covering everything from luxury fashion to local brands, tech, lifestyle, entertainment, food and dining. Right at the foot of the towering Petronas Twin Towers lies one of Kuala Lumpur's most peaceful and beautiful spots, Symphony Lake. This man-made lake is the centerpiece of KLCC Park and a must-see for anyone visiting the city. The lake features a 43-meter bridge and multiple fountains, the most famous being the Lake Symphony fountain, equipped with over 150 programmable water jets. These fountains shoot water up to 42 meters high, dancing in rhythm to music and light. KLCC Park spans 50 acres and was designed by the late Brazilian landscape architect Roberto Burle Marx. It's not just a park, it's a green sanctuary in the middle of one of Southeast Asia's busiest cities. Surrounded by over 2,000 trees and palms, many native to Malaysia, this park is a favorite for both locals and tourists. You'll find joggers, families, photographers, and people just soaking in the calm vibe. The park has 1.3-kilometer jogging track made of a soft rubberized surface, perfect for runners. The park is open daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and the jogging track is well lit in the early mornings and evenings.
Oye, siempre deja huella. Mi negrita bella. Baby, let's take a ride. Let me make it night. Una noche dando vueltas. Sabe a verano y labios piña. Vibra tropical. Jugosa como un beso de parcha. Me pone feliz cuando bailas. Cuando bailas, sí. Truco, truco, bailando el truco, truco, sabor, piña dulce. Truco, truco, usando el truco, truco, sabor, caña dulce. Yeah. Every night we getting right.